12th Business Mathematics Exercise 7.2 11th question. Assuming that a fatal accident in a factory during the year is 1 by 1200. Calculate the probability that in a factory employing 300 workers there will be at least 2 fatal accidents in a year, and given your value of e power minus 0.25 is equal to 0.7788. So they have given you fatal accidents in a factory. Okay, fatal accident means the accident occurs in a factory when the victim goes to a death. Okay, in a year they have given you in out of 1200 one person is dying. Okay, so calculate the probability that in a factory employing they have given us 300 workers, and that they are asking you to find at least 2 fatal accidents in a year it occurs. Okay, so let x be the Poisson variable, denoting the fatal accidents. Okay, so given P is equal to, this is 1 divided by 1200. Now your n is, they have given you 300 workers. We can declare n is equal to 300. Now your mean formula is, mean is equal to lambda, which is equal to NP. So to find your lambda, your formula is NP. We have got n and p here, so you can multiply it. 300 into 1 divided by 1200. So you'll get it as 1 by 4 if you cancel it. So that will be 0.25. So now your lambda we have got it 0.25. Now your Poisson distribution formula is, so your formula is P of x is equal to small x, which is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power x divided by x factorial. So now going to your condition, what they have asked you to find is at least 2 fatal accidents in a year. Okay, so your subdivision is P of at least 2 fatal accidents. Okay, probability that at least 2 fatal accidents. Which is equal to at least 2 fatal accidents. This you can write it as P of x is greater than or equal to 2. But from 2 up to 300 number of workers it is given. So you'll have to find 2, 3, etc. up to 300, which is not possible. So what you can do is you can convert it into 1 minus P of x is less than 2. You can convert it. Okay. So which is equal to, if you got greater than or equal to means it will become less. If you got equal to here, don't put equal to. So you'll have only less than 2. Now you can write it as 1 minus. So less than 2 means you'll get P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1. So now you'll have to get back to your formula and substitute it. So you'll get 1 minus e power minus lambda, that is e power minus your lambda value 0.25. Okay, so e power minus 0.25 into lambda power x. Lambda is 0.25, power x is here 0 divided by x factorial, so you'll get 0 factorial, plus now x is equal to 1. Wherever you have given 0, just give 1. Okay, otherwise you'll have to get back to your formula and come back here. So e power minus 0.25 into 0.25, the whole power you have given 0, now you'll have to give 1 divided by again 0 factorial means you'll have to give 1 factorial. So which is equal to 1 minus e power minus 0.25, both the places it is common, so I'll just remove it outside. E power minus 0.25, now open your bracket, 0.25 the whole power 0, anything to the power 0 will be 1 divided by 0 factorial, again that will be 1. Okay, plus here already e power minus 0.25 is out. So you'll have 0.25 the whole power 1, which is 0.25 itself divided by 1 factorial is 1 itself. So which is equal to 1 minus e power minus 0.25 into here 1 plus 0.25. So you'll have it as 1.25. Now it is given the value for e power minus 0.25, which is equal to 0.7788. So we'll just substitute it here. That is equal to 1 minus 0.7788. It is given in your book, in your question itself. If it is not given, you'll have to use your exponential table, then you'll have to find it. Okay. So into 1.25. So which is equal to 1 minus, multiplying these two numbers, you get it as 0.9735. Now 1 minus 0.9735, the answer will be 0.0265. Therefore, the final answer is, hence the probability that there will be at least 2 fatal accidents only they've asked you. So at least 2 fatal accidents is equal to 0.0265. So this is the answer for your 11th question.